50 sentences using the word around.
I like to take a walk around the park in the evening.
The cat curled up around the warm fireplace.
She wrapped her scarf around her neck to stay warm.
He wears a bracelet with charms all around it.
We sat around the campfire and shared stories.
The Earth orbits around the sun.
I looked around the room for my lost keys.
She twirled around in her new dress, feeling excited.
The children played tag, running around the yard.
We placed candles around the room for a cozy atmosphere.
The birds chirped happily in the trees all around.
We gathered sticks to build a fort around the tree.
The ship sailed around the island, exploring its coastline.
She carried a backpack around for her hiking trip.
The horseshoe is said to bring good luck when hung around a door.
He wrapped his arms around his friend for a hug.
The carousel spins around and around at the amusement park.
The bicycle race went around the city. We gathered around the table for a family dinner.
The news spread quickly around the neighborhood.
The roller coaster zipped around its track.
She tied a ribbon around her gift.
The conversation revolved around the upcoming event.
We took a leisurely stroll around the lake.
The runners completed laps around the track.
The river meandered around the hills.
The butterflies fluttered around the flowers.
We hiked around the mountain to reach the summit.
She wrapped Christmas lights around the tree.
The traffic moved slowly around the accident site.
We sat around the bonfire, roasting marshmallows.
The painter created a beautiful mural around the corner.
The garden is surrounded by a fence all around.
He drove his car around the bend in the road.
The partygoers danced around the room.
We walked around the bustling city streets.
She had a radiant smile that lit up the room all around.
The climbers circled around the mountain's base.
The cheerleaders formed a circle around the football field.
We organized a treasure hunt around the house.
The crowd cheered as the parade moved around the square.
We wrapped a ribbon around the gift box.
The trail winds around the forest.
She wore a wreath of flowers around her head.
The bookshelf wraps around the entire wall.
We sat around the television to watch the game. The boat sailed around the lake, exploring its nooks.
She spread her blanket around the picnic area.
The road goes around the scenic route.
The idea of recycling is to reuse materials to help protect the environment.